All right, I'm going to walk you through the next steps for your paper now that you've finished gathering evidence. You should each be in your crafting document where you're doing your planning. We are now moving into identifying common ideas and grouping your evidence. You're going to be doing that down here under your evidence. All right, you have a spot just like last time where you create categories, up to 5, but really you should end up with 3 body paragraphs. Once you've created the categories, you can number the details just like you see in the left column here. All right, that tells you which category each detail is going to fall into. Once you have them all numbered here according to these categories, you will then move to part 3, where you will turn that category into the organizer for a paragraph. So right here, you will put in a reminder about the question your paper is answering, or if you have a working thesis, you'll write that there. Then here is the topic for your first paragraph. And right underneath that, you will just list all the details that you categorized for topic 1. So you can go up and grab the first thing, and then you move it down here underneath the details. All right, yeah, the column's a little bit weird, but you can just stretch it out. All right. So the goal here is to move all of the details from up here into their subtopics down here. By tonight, you should have all of your details pasted down for each paragraph where you're going to use them. All right, so underneath MIP 1, there should be a list of details. Underneath MIP 2, you should have a list of details. And underneath MIP 3. Now, if you have more than 3 body paragraphs, you can copy and paste the third body paragraph plan area, all of this, down below for a fourth one. All right. But the key is that by the end of tonight, for each paragraph you're going to write, you have all your details listed in one place, right underneath where you have what the main idea will be. That way tomorrow, you can take that one section and turn it into a paragraph. If you have any questions, post them into that discussion area or in Schoology in our main class. Good luck.